Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check if someone has booked a meeting on Calendly. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to calendly.com and you'll be greeted by a screen like this. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register if you already don't have one. Now that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, as you can see, we have the create button and event types and schedule events. Also, we have the upgrade plan and the admin center. But guys, in the top right corner, as you can see, we have everything about your profile, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check if someone has booked a meeting on Calendly. So first of all, what you need to do guys is, well, when somebody books a meeting with you, Calendly will automatically send you and your invitee a notification with the schedule details. So basically, in the moment that you go and book a meeting, someone books a meeting to you, both of you will immediately get notifications with the details that Calendly will default to one of two notification types, which are calendar invitation, which is the most common one, or the email confirmation, which is the less common one. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Bye guys.